DJ doing?
It's been a while since I posted. There's many reasons for that. Got a lot of problems going on in this new year. Sorry if it's loud again. I got my heater going right here, sticking out into my garage. Today, we're making the car louder. And what car is that? It's my Mazdaspeed6. I just don't think it's loud enough, plus I'm trying to get a little bit less restriction in the exhaust. Plus I want a better sound. So I'm just gonna do a before clip and an after clip, obviously, of it. Right now I'm gonna start the car, rev it up, two-step it for you guys, and then go from there, start cutting, replacing the pipe, and then when I'm done, we'll do it all over again. Two-step it and all that kind of stuff. So, just want to say, what's up, man? It's been a while. So I'm just gonna post when I can. I'm actually gonna do a video on an update like that, so if you guys watch this, stay tuned for another video, because I am gonna briefly post on why I haven't posted and what I'm gonna be doing for the future, because I know that I have been doing nothing with my cars and a lot of like regular maintenance videos, and that's not what I want to do. So let's get to it. So, you guys probably seen the video that I'm probably blowing a little bit of smoke, probably a lot. I do have an extra turbo off my other Mazdaspeed6. I know that isn't blowing any smoke, like burning any oil. This one has a little bit of chatter, so I'm pretty sure it's mid-shaft, because when I grabbed the outside when I did my inlet, my turbo inlet, there was really no play. It spun freely, no problem, so I'm pretty sure it's the inside shaft that's like on its way out, and probably the seals. So I got this other turbo, and I'm probably gonna do that on another day, and I got a downpipe to install too. Probably do that in another couple of videos when I do the Mazdaspeed6 here. But for now, I'm just gonna get rid of this. I guess they want to call it a pre-silencer. I call it a resonator. It's just after the cat on the downpipe. Pretty much people replace it with the test pipe, but I'm gonna make my own because I ain't trying to spend too much money. I just have this extra pipe laying around right here. Should be good enough. Right here. Should be long enough to get the job done. The 2.5 inch. It says tailpipe exit, but extension, sorry. 18 inch. Whatever. But it's 2.5. So I'm pretty sure that's what the stock pipe is already. I would go 3. But I'm not trying to do couplers and all that kind of stuff. So, yeah, I'm just gonna set this camera up after I figure out just unbolting it and stuff like that, because it's cold. I was trying to get through this. I want to get a video in. I haven't posted for a while, so stay tuned and I'll update you guys in a little bit. The exhaust is down, and I'm only gonna do this really quick, but I'm gonna quickly start it. But I'm gonna show you guys the exhaust real quick. So I don't know if you guys can see. Light exhaust is on the floor right there. Yeah. So let's give it a quick start. I'm only starting it. I'm not revving it. I can wait to rev it later because it's gonna be right out the back, but I just want to hear it. Alright guys, so in the last little clip I showed you that I had this pipe. I mocked it up. I just kind of spot welded it underneath. Kind of, let's give you here to see. I got the exhaust just put back up for now because I'm going to test fit this, spot it, and then drop the whole exhaust so I can do a proper weld job. I'm not trying to have some shitty ass weld job and have my car leaking. So I'll probably show you guys when I weld this shit. Alright guys, so I'm gonna quickly turn my camera on, show you guys the stuff. I'm all done. I didn't show you guys everything, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like underneath. It's not the best job I've done. So you get for Canadian Tire. Right here. So you get for Canadian Tire welder. So I'm just gonna flip this camera around and show you guys. I didn't really clean up off the weld, you know, the debris that comes off of it. It's not the best welds, but we're gonna give it a test fire. I should move my jack stand too. And yeah, see how that goes. Set you guys up. Oh, I know. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys all in the next one. Thanks for watching. And here's a before and after clip. Peace.